Thank you for buying this wood wagon from fixturedisplays.com. You can find this product by searching 19412 on fixturedisplays.com. In this short video, we're going to give you step-by-step instructions how to put this wagon together. These are all the parts. You have the wood slats, long and short, the baseboard, hardware, big bracket, handles, axle, and the leg support, decorative metal pieces, wheels, 2 of them, and then the top platform. To start assemble, we want to identify the orientation of the wood slats. The sideboards on one of the sides, it is all have pilot holes on the edge that is supposed to be used for screwing the bottom or base onto them. So make sure all the pilot holes face up. And we're going to give you a close-up how the angle, how the corner looks like. It looks just like that. And then you fasten screws to join the long and short side panels. Now we're going to put the base or the bottom onto the frame assembly and make sure all the holes line up. If it doesn't line up perfectly, it wouldn't hurt because your screw would still go in. Just make sure they are flush on the edge. That's what you need to do. And make sure you see there are 3 pre-drilled and embedded nuts holes facing the same direction, not the other way around. The top is to install the legs, and then the other end is for the handles. So now we have all the screws ready. Use a Phillips screwdriver. If you have a light-duty power drill ready, that will save you some time. Now we're ready to install the big bracket. And you have 3 screws on each side. And again, all the holes are pre-drilled. All you need to do is fasten the screws. Now we're going to put on the axle on top of the big bracket. And then we're going to secure that with a small bracket. Look like that. We're going to pick up the screw and then fasten on the other end with a nut. You will be needing a proper adjustable wrench, or if you have a spanner fit that, you can try that as well. Now we're going to put on the leg support. Again, all the holes are pre-drilled. You just need to find the matching screw and then fasten them. If you have any questions, email us cs.charliesam@fixturedisplays.com. We're now going to add the reinforcement bracket on both sides. If you like our video, please consider subscribe our YouTube channel. You like our product and services, we can always use a good review along with a good seller feedback. Now the wheels, there are 2 sides of it. One side has a protruded tube. This face inward. That is to reduce friction between the wheel and the axle. Just like that. And take a big washer and a screw to fasten the wheel to the axle. Now we're going to install the 2 handles on both sides. In addition to this wagon, we also have item 19402. We recommend you to look it up. And also we have a metal wagon. It is 16964. The decorative metal strips, you can fasten with 3 screws to the side. This is an optional install. If you're particularly environment requires a different color. And all the parts can be painted to your desired color on your side. Now you put the top on. The top is an optional piece. It's reinforced with steel. You don't have to use it, but it would be nice to have them to elevate your products and merchandise. The length is 50 inches, width is 30 inches, and the height is also 30 inches. We're now going to give you dimensions of the inner dimension of the wagon. The carriage section, it is 41 inches long, and measuring the width from the smallest dimension is between the brace to the brace is 22.5 inches, and the height is 10.3 inches. The entire cart weighs 60 pounds, and you can push this from one point to another. It's not meant for long distance travel, but you can definitely move this around within the venue you're exhibiting, or from the farmer's market to your vehicle. And thank you again for shopping Fixture Displays.